So today we're going to be building another Lego set. It is Star Wars set 75138. Comes with Han, Imperial Stormtrooper, and Rebel Trooper, and an Imperial droid.
The set is really cool. It's actually a gift from Grandma Barb. Got it for my 35th birthday. I'm 35. Months ago. It's been a while, but this is way overdue. So we're going to build this here today. We're going to have some fun and show you how it's done. Here we go. you're done.
Hi guys, we have our Lego Star Wars set, Hoth attack set finished. As you can see, the Hoth base isn't big, but it's still really cool. Hoth set. Let's talk about the sky turret. It is a twistable one. It launches bullets to its enemy. This was a fun and just right set to build. I enjoyed. I hope you did too. There's a little turret launcher right there. This thing opens. It's twistable, as I said. What? Right there. See it? See it?
All right, bud.
Right?
All right, bud. Thank you very much.
So you enjoyed this video? 'Cause I really did too. Thanks for watching. And if you want any specific Lego set, write in the comments below and maybe we'll do that. And subscribe if you want us to do that too. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. How long set? Okay, welcome to the Brick Building Kids. This is another Lego Star Wars set 75138. It is the Hoth attack. Comes with Han Solo, an Imperial Snowtrooper, a Rebel Trooper, and an Imperial droid. It is one of his gifts from a few months ago.
Yep, Grandma Barb was kind enough to buy me some Lego sets for my 35th birthday.
And a bobblehead.
Yep. So, yep, 35, still play Legos, still fun.
Still fun.
Still fun!
Still fun with YouTube videos.
Yeah! Alright, if you hear Noah back there, he is our cameraman here today. So, let's get to it! Let's start building the sets!